In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Remote Play together with any game. Whether you're looking to play with friends from afar or want to enjoy a couch co-op game remotely, this guide will show you how to set it up quickly. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open your Steam app. If you haven't already installed it, head over to the Steam website and download the client. Once you've got the app open, you'll need to log in. Click on the login button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the app window. Enter your account name and password. Make sure your credentials are at hand for a smooth entry. After entering your details, click on the sign in button. Once you're logged into Steam, the next step is to head over to your settings. In the top left corner of the Steam client, you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it, and from the drop down menu, select Settings. This is where all the tweaks happen to ensure a smooth remote play experience. In the settings menu, locate Remote Play. Click on it to open up the Remote Play settings. These settings will allow you to adjust how your games are streamed to other devices. Here you want to ensure that you've selected Automatic for Allow Direct Connection. This enables IP sharing and optimizes your connection by letting you and your friends connect directly. Now it's time to turn on some options that will enhance your streaming experience. First, enable Advanced Host Options. This will give you more control over the streaming quality and other parameters. Next, look for Enable Hardware Encoding and turn it on. This option leverages your computer's hardware to encode video, providing a smoother and more responsive experience. Prioritizing network traffic is also crucial, so make sure to activate the Prioritize Network Traffic setting. This will help to reduce lag by ensuring that your gaming packets are given priority over other types of data. With advanced host settings configured, it's time to consider the client settings. First, under Enable Advanced Client Options, make sure the video is set to Fast. This setting focuses on speed, reducing latency, and making your gameplay more responsive. Then for the bandwidth limit, you have the option to set it to unlimited, or whatever you prefer based on your network capabilities. Lastly, for the resolution limit, select Automatic to let Steam decide the best setting for your connection. Finally, turn on Hardware Decoding. This uses your device's hardware acceleration to decode the video stream, which can improve performance and reduce latency on the client side. And there you have it. Once these settings are adjusted, you're all set to enjoy Steam Remote Play together. Now invite your friends, launch your favorite games, and enjoy a seamless multiplayer gaming experience from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.